Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add GIF to your Google Slides. So to do that, first let's head on to Google Slides and then click on Go to Slides. Alright, so let's create a blank presentation. Alright, so here we are on our slide. So to add GIF, first let's download a GIF. Alright, let's save this. Alright, so to add that GIF, all you have to do is click on Insert, click on Image, and click on Upload from Computer. And now select that GIF file, and there you go. That is how you can add GIF to your Google Slide. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.